How to add a YouTube video to your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can add a YouTube video to your website on WordPress. So let's get started. If you are a content creator, if you run a blog, or you are into a business where you have a YouTube channel, so you might be wondering to add your YouTube video to your website where people will be able to check out your video on the website and they will be able to play it. So adding a video on your WordPress website is very easy. Let's start with the process. What you have to do is simply open up your dashboard for your website on which you want to add the video. So this is my dashboard. Now what you have to do is go to pages. I will go to all pages and select a page where I want to add the video. So I have all of these different pages. This is my demo website that I have created. So this website has very random pages. Now to create a new page, what I can do is simply click on add new. So now I will simply go ahead and create a new page. If you already have a page, then you don't need to do this step. But I'm gonna go ahead and create a new page known as our videos for our YouTube channel. So now I will quickly go ahead and create a page and then we will add a YouTube video into it. So I have created this page right here, our videos, and this is the name of the channel. And I have also added an image. So let's add a YouTube video. So what you have to do is simply click right here on this plus icon, which is the block insert bar. Now simply scroll down and you will find the option of YouTube. There you go. In the embeds, we can simply go ahead and embed a YouTube video to our website. There are other options available as well, such as Twitter, Spotify, Dailymotion, and TikTok as well. So we're gonna go with YouTube. Simply click where you want to add it. So I want to add it right here. So I'm going to actually go with this button right here. This is the same button, but it helps you go ahead and add a thing right here where you want to. Now simply select YouTube. So what you have to do is paste a link to the content you want to display on your site. This is where we have to add the URL of the video. Now what you have to do is simply go to YouTube. I have opened up our channel, The Social Guide, and I want to add this video to my website, how to make a hotel booking website using WordPress. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy the link for this video right here. Once your link is copied, go back to your website and paste your link right here. There you go. Click on embed. It will take few seconds to add the video to your website. There you go. We have our video right here on our website. This is super easy to do. Now I can go ahead and add another video. So let's do it again. Simply go to YouTube and then go to the YouTube application. Select the video you want to add. Let's go with this one. Copy link address. Go back to your website, paste, and click on embed. There you go. We have another video that I just added right here. So if I want to edit the video now, or if I want to make any changes on my website, I will simply select the video, and after that we get these options. We have the YouTube option. That means this is a YouTube video. Then we have drag option that allows me to drag this video and place it wherever I want to. Then we have this edit option as well, where I can edit the URL. Again, we have other options as well, such as copy. I can simply go ahead and copy this video. We can also create a duplicate, and then we can insert before, insert after, move to, edit as HTML, add as a reusable block, or I can add it to a group. Or I can simply go ahead and remove the embed and delete this video. The best thing about adding a video on your WordPress website is that you don't have to go to YouTube app to play the video. It will be played on your website right here. So if I want to play it, all I have to do is just simply go ahead and click on this play button and it will be played. So this is our video that is being played right here on my website, and this is a YouTube video. Similarly, you can go ahead and add as many videos as you like right here on your WordPress website. Adding a video is really easy, and we can add as many videos as we like right here on our page. Then you will simply click on publish if you want to publish this page, or you can actually go ahead and save it as a draft. Let's preview our page. So let's go with a desktop view and let's check out how our YouTube videos look on a desktop. Let's check out how our videos look on a mobile phone. So this is my page, and you can see right here I have two of the YouTube videos in here. We can play it on our mobile phone as well. So this is pretty good and very efficient way to add a YouTube video to our WordPress website. And this way you will be able to promote your YouTube channel, or if you want to add any articles, vlogs, whatever you want to from your YouTube directly to your WordPress website, where people will be able to play the video on your website and they don't have to go to YouTube. You can also go ahead and add review videos of your products if you have an online store. So it totally depends on you that what kind of videos you want to add. Once you have your own YouTube channel, then promoting your YouTube channel with your website or creating a website for your YouTube channel is really easy with WordPress. Once you have added the videos, I can also create a group where I can add more than one videos and create a group. So to create a group, what you have to do is select the video, then go to this option right here, and then we have the option to group. Simply click right here and it will allow you to add this video in a group. And I can now move this in a group. This is actually a group now. I can simply go ahead and add columns, or I can simply go ahead and preview this one too. So now I can move any other video to this group, and I can also go ahead and give this group a name. To write something or to add a caption to your video, what you have to do is simply select the video, and then right here you will find the option to add caption. Let's go ahead and write something. There you go. Now I can make the text bold if I want to, italic, or I can also add a link right here. There are other options as well, such as alignments, and I can simply go ahead and change the font as well. Let's go ahead and make it. I can simply go ahead and also add it in line text. What I have to do is now upload a media, and then I will be able to add an image too in the caption. So once you're done with all of these settings, another thing that you can do with these videos is adding a custom CSS to your page. So what you can do is simply select the video, go to this option right here, and open the settings. In settings, you will find the option of advanced. These are the blog settings, and I can go ahead and add any additional CSS to any of the blogs on this page. And you can do this with your YouTube videos too. Another thing that you can do on WordPress is that you can set the time from where you want the video to start. For example, if I play this video right now, it will be played from the start, but I can just go ahead and add a starting time as well if I want to. But for now, I think I'm gonna leave that. So once everything is done, you can simply go ahead and publish these videos on your website, and you can teach people how to do something, or you can simply go ahead and add your YouTube channel video. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to add a YouTube video on WordPress website. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.